If you're stuck at 1,000 followers asking how many Instagram followers to make money in 2026, you're missing the exact threshold, and here's the real number brands pay for today. Here's the problem. Everyone thinks you need 10,000 followers to earn. Brands pay micro-influencers with 1,000 to 5,000 followers $50 to $500 per post in 2026. Affiliate links convert at 3% to 8% when you hit 2,500 engaged followers this year. The Instagram game changed in 2026. You don't need 100,000 followers to monetize anymore. Brands now pay micro-influencers because engagement beats reach. A fitness coach with 2,200 followers makes $1,800 per month selling workout plans because her audience trusts her. Within 90 days, she doubled her income just by hitting that 2,000 mark and pitching 3 supplement brands. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to boost your follower count fast using our private network of real, active users, so you hit monetization thresholds without waiting years. Most people fail here. They wait for organic growth and never hit 1,000 followers. They post daily for 6 months and gain 200 followers. That's 18 months to monetization. With ReputationZilla, we boost your account using our own private network of real users that engage with your content for you. The accounts are real. The engagement is real. The followers stay on your account permanently. No shadow bans. No purges. You hit 1,000 followers in 14 days, not 18 months. Step 2 is hitting the first monetization tier at 1,000 followers. In 2026, that unlocks Instagram, shopping tags, and branded content tools. ReputationZilla gets you there in 2 weeks using our private network. Real users follow your account and engage with your posts. Your engagement rate stays above 4%, so brands see you as high value. Once you hit 1,000, you can tag products in your posts and earn 5% to 15% commission per sale. Step 3 is scaling to 5,000 followers for direct brand deals. This is important. At 5,000 followers, brands pay $200 to $1,000 per sponsored post depending on your niche. ReputationZilla adds 500 to 1,000 real followers per week. The growth is steady, so Instagram's algorithm doesn't flag you. By week 6 you're at 5,000 and pitching brands, with a media kit, showing 5% engagement, and 50,000 monthly impressions. That's when the real money starts. Here's the problem. If you ignore engagement rate, and just chase follower count, brands won't work with you. A 10,000 follower account with 1% engagement earns $0. Instagram's 2026 algorithm prioritizes engagement over size. If your last 10 posts averaged under 3% engagement, you're invisible to brand partnership tools. ReputationZilla's network fixes this because our users actually engage with your content, keeping your rate above 4% as you scale. The advanced move is monetizing at 1,000 followers before you scale. Don't wait. Join 3 affiliate programs in your niche the day you hit 1,000. Use this exact pitch when you email brands. Subject line: partnership inquiry with 1,000 engaged followers in your niche. Body: hiring brand name: I run an Instagram account in niche with 1,000 followers and 6% average engagement. My audience is age range, interested in a product type. I'd love to feature your product in an Instagram story and reel for $150. Let me know if you're interested. Attach a 1-page media kit with your follower count, engagement rate, and top performing post screenshot. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla handle the growth for you while you focus on content and brand outreach. Hi, brand name. I run an Instagram account in a niche with 1,000 followers and 6% average engagement. My audience is age range, interested in a product type. I'd love to feature your product in an Instagram story and reel for $150. Let me know if you're interested. 1,000 followers unlocks monetization in 2026. Brands pay $50 to $500 at that tier. ReputationZilla gets you there in 14 days with real engagement. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at ReputationZilla.org for instant Instagram growth with real followers. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.